Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create player 222 from Squid Game 2 and Trust and Press without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you're going to choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it black. And then for this one, you're going to choose only bangs. Okay, and then you're going to go to the dressing room. And from here, I'm going to go to the cards item. And I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose this jacket, guys. Okay, and then for the color, you're going to make it this color. This is for the color code. And for the next one, I'm going to make it white. Alright, and for the next one, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, just make it this color until the last selection, and then for the material you're going to change it to light silk. Okay, just like this, and then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this doll, and then I'm going to make it the same color, and then I'm going to make it toggle 3. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the next area so we can choose this pumpkin. And for the pumpkin, you're going to make it the same color. This one, guys. Alright, this is for the coat. And make it light silk. And for the second selection as well, make it this color. Alright, and now it's time to go to this area. And then I'm going to put on this jeans. And I'm going to make it light silk. Okay, and for the color, just make it the same color. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to put on the shoes. Okay, put on the shoes, guys. And then we're going to make it white for all the selection. Okay, just make it white like this. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to this area. And then we're going to put on this shirt. And for this shirt, we're going to make it this color. Okay, and then again for the texture, make it light silk. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate player 222 from Squid Game 2 in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.